How to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus permanently in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection. In here, go to Manage Setting, which is below Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll all the way down till you find Temper Protection. Make sure you turn it off. After that, open Registry Editor. In here, click on HKey Local Machine. Then search for Microsoft. In Microsoft, you'll find Windows Defender. Double-click on Windows Defender or right-click on Windows Defender. Create New D-Word. Double-click and modify it. Make sure number value data is 1. And all these names under these names as shown on screen. After you create it, click on Windows Defender again and make sure you do the same with real-time protection signature updates. In signature updates, add the picture shown on screen. After that, go to Windows Security and you'll find No Virus Protection. And that's how you disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus permanently in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.